Hey everybody, Bill from MOTOTIPZ here. Today I just want to show you an easy way to practice your trail braking. If you're not already aware of what trail braking is, it is going into a corner, applying the brakes, and then as you tip in, continuing to hold the brakes and trailing off the brakes as you get to your maximum leaning. So an easy way to start learning trail braking is as I make these slow turns just around 20 miles an hour, I'm just holding 5% brake pressure. Alright, just 5 to 10% brake pressure around each of these turns, just as I continue to turn and lean in. So you got to get comfortable with being able to brake as you turn. As I get comfortable with using the brakes in the turn, then I can speed up a little bit. Speed up, brake, and then tip in, trail off. Speed up, brake, tip in, trail off. Brake, tip in, trail off. Brake, tip in, trail off. Change directions here. And again, initially when we're going around this parking lot, all I want you to do is just apply the brakes as you're turning, just a little bit, 5%. And you can go really slow. Just make sure you're getting to a point where you have to lean the motorcycle just a little bit and apply 5 to 10% of brake pressure. I'm just pulling that brake in toward me just a little bit to get comfortable with using the brakes in the turn. So just a little bit, trailing off. And as I get comfortable, more brakes, trail off as I lean in, accelerate. Harder braking, trail off, accelerate. Brake, tip in, trail off. Brake, tip in, trail off. Okay? So I don't have to be doing 130 miles an hour to trail brake. I can do it at 20 miles an hour. So I'm braking, leaning in, trailing off. 30 miles per hour, braking, tipping in, trailing off. So a good way to just practice some easy trail braking in a safe, efficient manner. Just find an empty parking lot, cul-de-sac, somewhere where there's no cars you're going to run into, and just get up to 20 miles an hour initially. 20 miles an hour, brake a little bit, tip in, hold that brake. Once you're comfortable, a little higher speed, tip in, hold that brake. So I brake, continue to hold the brakes as I lean the motorcycle, but I'm trailing off. So I go in, get up to speed, brake, ease off the brakes as I lean in. Speed up, brake, trail off the brakes as I lean in, accelerate. Brake, hold the brake as I corner, and then I'm letting off. So I'm just going to continuously do a few laps here, get up to speed, hold the brake as I lean in, and then trail off, accelerate. Brake, 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 ease off. So I'm braking, easing off as I lean the motorcycle. Braking, easing off as I lean. Brake, ease off as I lean in, and then accelerate. So this is an easy way at a lower speed just to practice some trail braking. Just going around in first gear, maybe second gear. Going in, brake, tip in, ease off. Brake, tip in, ease off. Brake, trail off, accelerate. Brake, trail off, accelerate. Brake, tip in, trail off, accelerate. Brake, tip in, trail off, accelerate. Brake, trail off, So just real easy way to practice trail braking at a slower speed and get used to applying the brakes as you tip the motorcycle in. So trail braking isn't just a technique for the racetrack, it's something that's going to make you safer on the streets. It's going to allow you to apply the brakes in the turn if you need to tighten up your line by slowing the motorcycle down, decreasing that radius, or standing the motorcycle up and going a little wider. It's something that's critical for you to learn to be a better, safer rider, especially if you want to go out to the twisties and canyons and ride fast. You need to learn how to use the brakes in the turn. So find a good spot, practice your trail braking. I hope this video helps. If you like it, make sure you hit subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.